In this video, I will show you how to merge data on same file in Microsoft Excel. So we have this example data. Here is the name and here is the amount. So someone is borrow money from these guys. We want to this data. So you have to firstly select. So create a new Excel worksheet. Click on this plus icon. Now here click on this consolidate. Here select the function sum. If you want to merge and sum all amount for particular person, in the reference select this second sheet and select your data, press enter. Now select this one, top row and left column. Now click on add. Then here click on OK. So guys, you will see total number here for every person's you need to every person's you borrow, like Sophia, this total amount. So this way guys, you can merge data in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.